When Lamborghini unveiled the Revuelto, the world took notice. This was no ordinary supercar, it was a bold, hybrid-powered, Italian beast built to push the limits of performance and design. But if you thought Lamborghini's designers went wild with the original, you haven't seen what Creative Bespoke just did to it. This latest build is not for the faint of heart, and honestly, it's got more Mansory energy than Modena elegance. Nicknamed by some enthusiasts as the mask on wheels, and not in a good way, this custom Revuelto throws subtlety straight out the window. From the moment you lay eyes on it, you're greeted with a fluorescent green paint job so intense, it practically glows. It's the kind of shade that turns heads on the freeway and maybe even makes planes change course. Now, Lamborghini is no stranger to aggressive styling. The stock Revuelto already has enough sharp edges and intakes to make a fighter jet jealous. But Creative Bespoke clearly had one goal: turn this already wild bull into a carbon-clad showpiece that screams for attention. Let's break it down. The custom carbon fiber body kit dominates the car's look. A new extended front splitter, color-matched in that radioactive green, adds even more aggression to the already angry front fascia. Right below the headlights? More green accents, just in case you forgot what color this car is. The hood's been reworked with dramatic venting and carbon fiber gills along the sides, ensuring airflow isn't just functional, it's theatrical. Aero fins bolt onto the splitter and reappear behind the front wheels, creating a kind of jagged, sci-fi aesthetic that screams, "Look at me." Moving along the sides, we see carbon fiber side skirts and a striking set of black and green Brixton forged wheels, perfectly matching the car's loud attitude. But the real fireworks are at the back. A massive rear wing rises on either side of the engine cover, flanked by a completely redesigned diffuser. Integrated into the fins? Red LED strakes, because why not make the rear just as aggressive at night as it is during the day? And yes, there's a custom catback exhaust system thrown into the mix, because with looks this extreme, the sound better match. Now here's the kicker: despite its divisive looks, and let's be honest, this thing is more divisive than pineapple on pizza, the car sold quickly after Creative Bespoke listed it for sale. The price? A jaw-dropping $779,800, which is about $170,000 over the Revuelto's base MSRP. What does that tell us? In the world of ultra-wealthy car collectors and attention-seeking supercar buyers, there's no shortage of people willing to pay top dollar to stand out, even if that means driving something that looks like it escaped from a Marvel set or a Tron reboot. While some might call it over-the-top, excessive, or even tacky, others would argue it's art on four wheels, an expression of pure, unfiltered creativity. Whether you love it or hate it, one thing is clear: this Revuelto isn't just a car. It's a rolling spectacle, a conversation starter, and quite possibly the most eye-catching Lamborghini on the road today. So, the next time you see a bright green blur flashing past on the highway, don't adjust your eyes. It's probably this carbon fiber mutant bull, living its best and loudest life.